Hello everyone, Richa Gupta, your mentor, guide and coach of learning English grammar. Welcome to my channel. This is VR English classes and we are here to build your foundation in English grammar. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest updates. Now let's move on today's topic. Today's topic is past indefinite because today we start the past tense and we take first past indefinite or simple past. So the same three forms of the tense: affirmative, negative and interrogative. So let's take affirmative in singular number. The same he, she, it, any name of a person and singular noun. And this is the formula: subject plus V second and object. So here you should pay attention that we use V second. Okay, in the present tense, present simple present, we use V first, but in past indefinite or simple past we use V second, means second form of the verb. Okay, now these are the examples. He went to school. So this is the subject and then we use V second. Go is the first form of the verb and went is the second form of the verb. So we use V second in simple past. Okay, then object. Okay, so he went to school. Ram wrote a book. This is the wrote, second form of write. So Ram wrote a book. Okay, now let's move on. Negative sentence. The same singular number: he, she, it, any name and singular noun. This is the formula: subject plus did not plus V first and object. So we use after subject did not. Okay, and then V first. In negative sentence you should remember that we use V first in negative sentence after did not. Okay, so after did not we use V first and then object. So this is the formula, and this is the second formula where we use never. Okay, so subject never and V second. With never we use V first, not V second, not V first. Okay, so you should pay attention that with did not we use V first, but with never we use V second and then object. Okay, so these are the examples. He did not go to school. So he, then did not, then V first and then object. Ram never wrote a book. With never we use V second. Okay, got it? Now let's move on. Interrogative sentence in singular number: he, she, it, any name and singular noun. Then these are the two types of interrogative sentence. First, yes no answer type, where we use did before the subject. Did plus subject plus V first and then object and then question mark. So in interrogative sentence we use V first also. In negative sentence we use V first, and in also interrogative sentence we use V first. Okay, and then second type of interrogative sentence, question word question, we use first question word, then did, then subject, then V first and then object and question mark. Okay, these are the examples you can see here. Did he go to school? Did he, subject, go V first and to school. Second example: when did he go to school? Okay, so in both example we use V first in interrogative sentence. Okay, So this is the interrogative sentence in singular number. And then let's move on plural number. These are plural number. Affirmative sentence first. I, we, you, they, plural noun, and we use the formula subject, then we second, then object. The same formula is with singular number, and the same formula is in the plural number. We use we second in plural number also. Okay, and then these are the examples. You can see here, you loved your school. So we use we second, and then I helped my friend. We use we second. Okay, now let's move on the negative sentence. In negative sentence, the same plural number I, we, you, they, plural noun, and this is the formula subject, did not, we first plus object, the same formula. Okay, and in the second formula, subject, never, we second plus object. So the same as we learn in singular number, the same is in the plural number. Okay, now these are the examples. You did not love your school. So did not, we first. I never helped my friend. Never, we second. Okay, now let's move on. Interrogative sentence, plural number, same I, we, you, they, plural noun, the same formula. Did, subject, we first plus object, question mark. Question word plus did plus subject plus we first, and then object, question mark. And these are the example. Did you not love your school? Why did you not help the poor? Okay, so these are the plural number, and this is the singular number. And I hope you may have understood it, but if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. And for the previous tense, I have given the link down below in the description box. You can check out from there. And if you like this, then click the button like. And thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy always, because you deserve it. Bye bye now.